Okay, I will continue with the mixing of pigments. I did a video yesterday or the day before. I am going to use my most expensive painting, my most expensive brush, Mård Hår. I will write that down in the video. In the beginning I thought that I needed this expensive brush, but I don't. You don't need to buy the real expensive brushes. You can do with cheaper ones. Okay, I have changed the anthracinoid scarlet pigment to permanent rose, otherwise it's the same as the last one. Cobalt yellow, ultramarine blue, permanent rose. So we are going to put this here and mix that between, and now I will mix cobalt yellow and permanent rose as well. Okay, cobalt yellow is a start. I'll put it here. I think it's a beautiful green. Okay. And I will go down to I will put the yellow here when I am already here. Okay. And the ultramarine blue. Ultramarine blue is a warmer kind of blue. It's not the cool one. Okay, I will take this up to the yellow here and see what kind of green we get. This is good paper, 100% cotton paper. The other one was cellulose paper. Cellulose, I don't know how you pronounce it. Put some blue and some yellow. Okay, now we get the green, light green. I think that is nice green. You see here I can work with the paper, it doesn't break. This is Arch, it's very good, 100% cotton paper. Okay, now I will go down the blue here. Then I will take the permanent rose. Permanent rose is cool red. See here, it looks really pink. It's a cool red. Put it here. I have mixed permanent red and ultramarine blue many times. It's you get a very beautiful violet color from it. Here you see. And here I'm gonna mix cobalt yellow and permanent rose. Let's see how the orange looks like, if I can get a real orange from that mix. Okay, permanent rose. Normally when you paint, it's not good to put the brush back and forth many times on top. But here I want them to mix properly. You see here I can work with the paper, it doesn't break. You don't get any spots. Everywhere it looks nice and even. Okay, here I will mix all three of them. Let's see how it looks. Now this is a blend with quite a lot of water inside. You can mix. You see here what beautiful violet you get. It's glowing. Now the yellow. Well, you can always mix with less water, so that you get it darker. I think it's okay to mix with a lot of water today. Okay. I think I will take a little bit more pigment on top so that we can, as I'm going to make the grays. This kind of brush is very soft. Okay. A little bit more permanent rose. Now I want the cobalt yellow. You see, starting to get the gray. Let's see how it looks. Now this is a very light blend. It's gray. Okay, I take some more blue. See how it looks like. A cooler kind of gray. So if I take more and more layers from this and put here and dry it between, it gets darker and darker. That's quite a neutral gray. Now I will take more of the permanent rose in this. I took a lot, a bit too much. Bit too much. some yellow. Let's see how it looks. Some more blue, some more yellow. Almost the same as that one. Okay, I think I want to compare. I think you can see both now, okay? If you look at this, to compare, if you compare the paper with this one, you see here I worked a lot with the paper. When it was wet, it was almost like the paper has, it was small clumps of paper on top. And it's very, a lot of spots in it. Here I didn't work that much with the paper as I did up here. I wanted this to get darker, so I put some more pigment on, blue and yellow, and the paper couldn't stand that. It broke. That's why you got all those spots. Here I didn't work that much with the paper, not here either. This is something that I did today, just to see the orange pigment from anthracinoid scarlet and cobalt yellow. When you look at it, how the paper looks here, the pigments in here, which one do you prefer? Which one do you like the best?